In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper, how to load paper in your Brother MFC-L2710DW. So the first step is to go on the front of the printer, and this is where the drawer that contains the paper is located. Slide your finger down below and then pull towards you. You can remove this drawer completely. You're not obligated, but just so you know in the future, if you need to do so, it's possible. Then you're gonna notice there's these plastic green tabs that are movable, like this and like this. You'll need to place them according to the size of the paper you want to input in your printer. So over here you have some markings, A6, A5, B5. And if you want to use letter size, you're gonna see over here, it says LTR. Just need to pinch and glide until you're aligned with the LTR line. Same thing on this side. You're gonna see LTR being the last one, so you need to push this one towards the right side at the extremity. If you want to print on smaller paper, like these over here, well, you'll need to adjust this. Perfect. Take your stack of paper, align it, and simply let it rest like this in this drawer. If we take a look on the right side over here, we're gonna notice there's some arrows and a line. This is the maximum. It's just to tell you to never go over. If you go over, unfortunately, this printer will clog and you may break some components, so never do this. To put it back, it's very easy. You simply need to glide the drawer like that until it clicks in place. If you want to get some paper for your Brother printer, check my Amazon links down below, or any other accessories. By doing this, you support my channel. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.